Good Thursday afternoon, class. This is going to be our very last video lesson, and I'm just going to do it kind of real quick. This is your grammar for this week. You're going to have one of these each day. I want you to have some fun with it. Now these I call Madlibs. I think on the sheet it calls them fun to blanks, but basically what you're going to do is you're going to make up a story. You're going to pick the words, and I would caution you, don't read the story first. Just put in words, then go fill them into the story. I want to see how silly you can make these stories, but you have to use the correct grammar term. You have to use, if it asks for an adjective, use an adjective, a descriptive word. If it asks for a plural noun, use a plural noun of some type. If it tells you a noun that's a body part, think up something. This one has verb, past tense. That means something in the past. It's already happened. Something you can do with your hands. Anyway, I'm going to go through this. I'm not going to fill all of these in. This is a little bit longer than what you will have. Yours are fairly short. These were some, I think this one is entitled Math Problems. But I just want to go over it real quick. I'm not going to fill in every single thing. I'm going to pause it, go back and forth, and so you'll see the screen change from time to time. This is our last video lesson for the year, but have some fun with this. I want to see, as a matter of fact, when we have our Zoom meeting next Wednesday, I'm going to get you to share some of your stories. So have a little bit of fun with it. But like I said, don't read the story first. Fill the words in first, then just stick them in the story in the order that you fill them in up here. Let's just see how funny we can get. So let's start out with an adjective this morning. Let's start out with an adjective. Let's say smelly. That's a good one. Smelly. That's a good adjective. Okay. And then a noun that's plural. Let's say cats. Since most of you all like cats, or we'll just say cats, okay? And then a noun. Let's think of a noun. Let's think of something in the room. How about chair? That's a good noun. A noun that's a body part. Let's say leg. Okay? Now, past tense means something that happened in the past, and they want a verb that's in the past tense, something you can do with your hands. Let's say carried. Carried, that's a good one. Carried. Carried, that's a good one. A class object that's a noun. How about, let's see. How about a clock? Okay. Then a number. Think of a number. Let's say 50. And it says a different number. How about 35? Okay. Group of people. That's a noun. Let's say teachers. Okay. Now I'm going to pause it just for a second, and I'll move it up just a little. We'll fill in a couple more. Okay. Let's fill in a couple of last ones here. We've got an adjective. Let's think of another adjective. Let's say sunny. A noun. Let's think of another noun. How about table? Another number. We did 50. We did 35. Let's say 10. Now, on this one, an interjection is just something that you would put in. An interjection could be something like in, and, anything like that. Let's just say in. An adverb is describing how a verb does something. Let's say quickly. And then a place that's a noun. Let's say zoo. Okay? So let me pause it again. Okay, I came back just for a second, class. I had to kind of correct something. Interjection, that's just kind of a word expressing something like yuck, bleh, whoopee, something like that. So if they ask you for an interjection, that's what that is. Now we're going to fill in our story using our words. Okay, now once you've got your words done, to then go in and fill in your story. So today was a smelly day. Normally I'm very good at math. I like cats. Working math problems is like solving puzzles. I think the best kind of camp is math camp. Today, however, math class gave me a chair. I sat up straight when the teacher wrote an equation on the board. It didn't make sense. I scratched my leg. I carried my nose. I bit my clock. You see, these are just for fun. So have some fun with it. Like I said, don't read the story first. Do the words first. Then go fill in the story in order with your list. Just each word, and it'll ask you, it'll say adjective, so use the first adjective or whatever it has on your paper, and just so forth. And let's see what we can come up with. Have some fun with this. This is your last packet. It's not meant to be real hard. You're going to notice that there's not anything real hard in this for you to do. So have a little bit of fun with this, and let's hear some of these funny stories next Wednesday when we have our Zoom meeting. Gang, I've missed having you in class. I wish we could have been here for the rest of the year. I had some fun stuff planned. Maybe when you're in 5th grade and then you've got me again, we can do some of the things that they may mean a little bit more to you when you're in 5th grade than they would have now. I don't know. But anyway, I hope y'all have a wonderful summer. Have lots of fun. That's your assignment for this summer, is have lots of fun. I think you can handle that assignment. Have lots of fun. If you get a chance to learn something, learn something. Get a chance to go somewhere interesting, go. Check things out. But hey, it's been great to have you, and I will see you in the fall. Bye-bye.